Hey, what's up guys? Tim Langhauser here, Compass Home Group, coming at you from our newest listing, 316 Althea Court here in beautiful Country Walk. It might be snowing outside, but the real estate market is heating up. This beautiful home features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2,400 square feet of space in this townhouse. Let's take a look inside and I'll see you back in a minute. Hey, thanks so much for checking out 316 Althea Court here in Bel Air. For a private tour of this beautiful home, give us a call at 443-360-0086.